Morning guys, back on board Annabelle, and we have our first guest. So we've got Paul's very good friend, or our very good friend Guy, who's come to help us, and he's going to be with us for our first cruise. And so he stayed the night last night, but unfortunately we have found some damages. Let me show you. So this all over here is obviously, as you can see, wood rot, and we think from here you could see some water damage here, but it's leaking quite badly all the way down through. And so we popped out to the loo last night, and when we got back, yeah, Guy had put bowls out and was collecting water. So there was quite heavy rain, which is a good thing because we've realised obviously that it needs to be fixed, but it's quite a big deal to obviously replace that whole panel. Yeah, not exactly what you want. We've also got leaking vents, so the job we're doing today is we've taken these out and we're resealing the mushroom vents on top. This one had a leak. There's a leak in the bathroom one and a leak in the bedroom one, so all of those have to be sealed, and it's quite a gloomy day. The rain is coming, so the guys are just up on the roof sealing those, and then just sort of putting plastic over and taping it up so it can stay dry. So yeah, the pressure is on. This is the last weekend, so all the jobs have to be done, and yeah, I guess that's boat life, uncovering other stuff as you go along. We just filled up with fuel, and we're taking Annabelle for her first little chug along, and yeah, we're going to learn as we go. We've got our friend Guy here helping us. So yeah, we are, I'm so, like, it's just super exciting. I'm like looking at the ducks now, and I'm like looking inside, and I'm like, our home is moving. It's so exciting. Yeah, so I'll show you some views, and then hopefully we're going to learn a bit today and just sort of get used to our first locks and stuff. Yeah, and enjoy a little practice run before we actually hit our long journey. I've just sat here in the front for a bit and I'm watching the canal and thinking to myself, it's so beautiful. we keep saying, like, we keep talking about, like, this is the life, like, it's true what everyone says, it just looks amazing, and it's just, even though we're stressed out and like we're learning everything, and our friend Guy's like teaching us how to run the boat, drive the boat, turn the boat, all the stuff. It's just so pretty and just, yeah, surreal, I guess, that we're here right now and this is going to be our lives.
Center that we bought from Frouds Marina, because the old one was broken, so it's all working now. I've touched the wires and we've installed the new one over here, if you want to have a look over there.
Nerve-wracking stuff, because obviously that one was not coming out once it went in.
Yeah, so that's all in, and the gauge in the bathroom works perfectly. So
the last of our toilet troubles.
The last of our toilet troubles. I just have to splice or solder this cable onto that other onto the cable, because it's got an extension, and then
happy
we're
days.
sorted. Yeah.
Good job.
Cool.
Sunday afternoon, Paul's still outside working hard, and he's just busy sealing the windows, getting to the last of all the jobs that needed to be done. Obviously discovered a whole bunch of new ones that we didn't expect, like the leak from the window that was coming through that we found on Friday. But yeah, it's been so nice. It's been lovely having a friend with us, and I think he was like so amazing. So shout out to Guy, and he's coming back. He's going to be with us for our 2-week journey, which is going to be such a nice help. Yeah, we just had the best cruise. Like, I could show you footage all day long of how nice yesterday was. It's stressful and it's like nerve-wracking, and like learning to do locks and all those things, and sort of figuring out your groove, like who's going to jump off and who's going to do the rope and who's going to do this and who's going to do that. At the end of the day, we all had a really, really great time. Like, I think everyone was super tired, but it was such a nice taste of what life's going to be like. We've met some cool people in the marina also this weekend, which has been so nice. So nice to chat, and people are really helpful and like just giving with their tips and stuff. And I think that's one of the things that was really most appealing to us when getting into boating and stuff like that, is just the community. And so that's really exciting, is those little chats and yeah, just learning things from people. It's really cool. Coming to the end of our weekend. It's a long weekend, so we're still here till Monday, tomorrow, and yeah, super successful. At moments, very stressful. I think Paul's felt it more than anyone. But yeah, super exciting still. Like, I had moments yesterday where I was like, oh my gosh, pinch me now. I can't believe this is happening. We've come to the end of our stay at Frouds Bridge Marina. We've been here since we bought the boat, and it's been such a super nice place to stay. It's really beautiful, and to the whole team, to Matt and Keith and Kevin, we didn't realize you were watching, but super cool. Thank you so much. And yeah, we've just really enjoyed it here.
Yeah, thanks. The guys have been really helpful here. They've got a nice little shop where you can buy. We didn't really have to dash out anywhere too far to get some odds and sods. I got the wrong oil and they had the right oil here, so I just got some more oil from them. Any questions I've had, they've always answered them. They've always been willing to help, so really nice bunch of guys at Frouds Bridge here.
Yeah, for like new boaters, there's always things that you forget or that you're unsure of, and we just always felt like there was always someone to ask, and yeah, someone
guide you if you needed a little bit of guidance, which we needed sometimes. So
exactly. So thank you so much.
Yeah, just a shout out to Astrid, my cousin's daughter in Dubai. It was her birthday last week, so thought we'd just give her a shout
Happy
out.
birthday!
Happy birthday!
K&A from the K&A. It was really nice to meet you earlier. Annie even made me this pot holder, which I really love. It's my first sort of like canal gift, which makes me feel really welcome into the boating family. So to you guys, thank you so much.
Yeah, it's all the little pointers that people are giving us, like when we've told them the route that we're going to be going up to Frouds Bridge, to Sawley Marina. They've given us little pointers on where to go and where to stop and where's good places to moor, and just talking from experience, which is good because we're stepping off into unknown territory. So
yeah, it's cool to be able to feel like you can rely on a community to sort of guide you a bit, and we've started feeling that, which is really nice.
Yeah, it's been good, very welcoming.
So the next time you see us will be after we've already left, so that's why we just wanted to do this little bit of a farewell and say thank you, and we will see you from wherever we're cruising the cut the next time, and yeah, we'll actually be on our journey.